In case of excessive friction in the pump cylinder, the flywheel will be difficult to move by hand, and once the pump is disassembled, the piston will be difficult to move up and down. Take the Allen key and remove the bottom nuts and bolts from the yoke. You can now pull the yoke off of the piston rod. Pull the top cylinder and cylinder retainer off of the pump cylinder. You can now take the piston rod out of the cylinder. This could be difficult, use some soap if it's very stuck. Take the screwdriver and pull the V-seal out of its slot. Take a new V-seal and place it into the slot, making sure the open side is facing upward. You are now ready to reassemble the pump. Place the piston back into the cylinder and take the cylinder retainer and push it onto the cylinder. Then the top cylinder with V-seal can be placed back onto the piston rod. Make sure the suction air vessel side and discharge air vessel side are facing opposite directions.